What's up, y'all? You know who it is, your boy JP, the install guy, who would make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got a 2013 Toyota Camry, and I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out. First thing you want to do is come down here and remove the side pieces, just like that. Then we want to sit here and we want to twist this backwards. Take that up. And then this piece pops up like that. I had to put the key in and put it on. Next, we want to go ahead and take these two Phillips out, hold in the pocket. We're going to move that all the way back. Perfect. One harness. Alright, and that's the pocket. And that's gonna reveal two 10mm bolts that we need to take out. We're not gonna get to those yet. Next, you want to take out these AC vents. Then we want to pop this part up. Set that to the side. Then we have two more bolts right there at the top. Now we're gonna take out all four. And that's gonna be that. Then you take out these harnesses. And that's it. And there we have that factory radio. If you guys find any value in the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out.